Your universal wiring harness mount will have 5 holes, 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. The 3 on the bottom is where we want to install our leads for the speed cable. So the 2 holes that are equidistant from each other, bottom left and bottom right, are for your speed and for your bike 1 speed. The hole in the top left-hand corner is for bike 2. You'll notice on the back of the computer head there is an offset contact for that bike 2 function. So let's just start by installing the speed cable for the bike 1 function. Take our cables here and we'll slip them in through the side. Alright, this is our bike 1 positioning. Now if we want to install for bike number 2, we move this lead 1 notch up to the left hand corner. And our cadence cable wires will always go to the top. So if you have an optional second cadence kit, we can do that right now. Move this back to bike 1. And our universal cadence and speed wires are installed.